Hi guys, we're the Blackbirds, and this is On the Spot. This first one's called Sophistication. She acts quite sophisticated and drinks all the finest booze. Gets quite inebriated and loses the choice to choose. But you don't realize that all of the lies would never amount to the truth. She believed a wonder, signed last night in the news. Can't you see your roads reach destination? Do you find your mind is close to breaking? Do you climb to reach your limitations? Why you act like you possess sophistication, whoa. Man of the smallest stature, but filling the biggest shoes. Money is what you're after, then you're setting out to lose. But don't realize that all of the lies could never amount to the truth. He believed a wonder, signed last night in his news. Can't you see your roads reach destinations? Do you find your mind is close to breaking? Do you climb to reach your limitations? Why you act like you possess sophistication? Sophistication. Can you feel it? Come on, it's what you paid for. When the sky is falling, it's in a downpour. Greatest common factor, not what you're made for. When the sky is falling, it's in the rainstorm. You're in the rainstorm. No, no, no. You're in the rainstorm. They got you by the throat, so go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go home. Go, go home.
Awesome, that was fantastic. Welcome to On the Spot Live. You just listened to the Blackbirds. Woo! Round of applause. Alrighty, so thank you guys for coming. That was really awesome. So just a few questions for all of you. Whose idea was it to start the band then? Why this type of music?
I think it was kind of consensual.
Big question.
Yeah, consensual.
Yeah, it's definitely.
I mean, if anyone asks, that's the
Yeah,
answer.
started off with us two, and then maybe a day or half a day later, we found out Jack could shred on guitar, so we brought him in.
Nice.
Yeah.
About a day later, we brought in Alec because I mean, look at him.
I mean, look at him.
You can't deny this
You
guy.
can't just not add him to the band.
Exactly.
You know? I mean, we came up with the first song over winter break freshman year, and then we came back and we're like, yo, like we should get together and like play some music, and we've been doing it since.
Nice.
It's really nice. Yeah.
So did you all meet freshman year?
Yeah.
All of us
Well,
except John. John's the newest addition,
Yeah.
but we love him. We're so happy he's here.
Yeah, how'd you meet him?
How did we meet you, John?
through
We
my
know your
younger
brother.
brother.
We know your younger brother.
My younger brother played on the soccer team,
Oh,
and so mutual friends.
He runs in the same BDSM
Yeah.
circles.
that's pretty awesome. And, who do you look to for inspiration, like an artist or?
For inspiration.
Nice.
Who do we listen
Yeah.
to most?
We
boys?
got Led Zeppelin,
Beatles.
we got the
Led
Beatles,
Zeppelin, the Beatles.
we got
Yeah.
Nirvana.
Can we say Led Zeppelin?
We got
Yeah.
Britney Spears. We got
Britney
Red,
Spears.
we got Red Hot Chili
Britney
Peppers.
Spears.
Christina.
You know.
Christina Aguilera,
Taylor-
Fuck the Folks.
Taylor, definitely Taylor.
Taylor Swift.
A lot of death metal.
A lot of death metal. I can definitely hear it in this piece. Yeah. Awesome.
Anything that sounds good, pretty much.
And I guess the final question: any advice you have for like aspiring artists? Any tips? Practice.
Have fun. You know,
Have fun.
Never think you're good enough.
emulate.
Sorry, you gotta quit. 'Cause we're gonna make it.
Fake it till you make it. Emulate your idols until you reach a status where you don't have to anymore.
I agree with John. Never think you're good enough, but never think you're not good enough either.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? There's always that.
You know, you can always be better.
Always
you know?
aspire to be
Right,
better.
right.
Yeah.
Sweet. That was the Blackbirds once again, and here we are on the spot.
Woo!